Hello everyone, how are you all? I hope you all are fine. Hi, I am Japneet and I am conducting this session for class 4th, and today we are going to do grammar topic adverbs. Let's start. What are adverbs? The words that tell us more about verbs or describe actions are called adverbs. जो words verb के बारे में और ज़्यादा डिटेल में हमें बताते हैं या उनके एक्शन को डिस्क्राइब करते हैं कि वो कैसे हुआ एक्शन, उसे हम एडवर्ब कहते हैं. They tell us how, when और where actions take place. एडवर्ब की हेल्प से हम बता पाते हैं कि वो एक्शन कहाँ, कब और कैसे हुआ. फॉर एग्जाम्पल, शी वॉक्स स्लोली. इन दिस सेंटेंस वी कैन टेल हाउ शी वॉक्स स्लोली. सो हाउ, कैसे हो रहा है एक्शन. ही केम येस्टरडे. व्हेन डिड ही कम. ही केम येस्टरडे. कल आया था. कब आया था वो. कल आया था. Now next one is Rohit looked up. Where is Rohit looking? He is looking up. So what is the action he is doing? He is looking. But where? कहाँ देख रहा है. Up. Now let's move on to the types of adverbs. So there are only 3 types of adverbs which we are going to study in this session. Firstly, adverbs of manner. Second, adverbs of time. And third is adverbs of place. Come on, we will discuss all these 3 types in detail. Adverbs of manner. So what is it? Some adverbs show how actions are done. So they are called adverbs of manner. So कौन सा काम कैसे हुआ, उस एक्शन को जब हम डिस्क्राइब करते हैं कि वो एक्शन हाउ इट हैपेंड, सो इट इज एडवर्ब्स ऑफ मैनर. फॉर एग्जाम्पल, क्विकली, केयरलेसली, फास्ट, स्लो, एटसेट्रा. सो नाउ आर यू क्लियर विद दैट कि एडवर्ब ऑफ मैनर क्या है. एडवर्ब ऑफ मैनर shows us how action is done. कैसे हुआ है वो action. So if you are doing it, you can easily mark adverb of manner when you will find the action is done how it is done. Next type is adverbs of time. Some adverbs show when actions are done. They are called adverbs of manner. कहाँ हुआ है वो काम. when. जब हम when की बात करेंगे तो adverb of time आ जाएगा. फॉर एग्जाम्पल, tomorrow, today, early, now. तो कब हुआ काम, उससे हमें पता चलेगा adverb of time. So adverb of time tells us when action happened. कब हुआ वो काम. So always remember, if we are finding adverbs of time, then we are talking about when action happened. Now moving on to the next one, which is adverbs of place. Some adverbs show where actions are done. They are called adverbs of place. So adverbs of place क्या है कि action कहाँ हुआ है, where. For example, up, here, there, everywhere, outside, inside, etc. So there are so many words which can describe the action is done where. So adverbs of place tells you about the action where. The action happened where. कहाँ. Alright. So कहाँ जब है तो adverbs of place. Now let us practice some questions relating to adverbs and its types. Let's start with A part. Circle the adverbs in the following sentences. So here these sentences are given. In these sentences you have to circle the adverbs. We stayed there for a week. क्या होगा इसमें adverb? We stayed there for a week. Stay हो गया हमारा verb. Stay क्या हो गया हमारा verb. और there क्या है हमारा adverb. क्योंकि कहाँ रुके? There. कहाँ? Alright, where. So adverb of place. ठीक है? He has gone somewhere. वो कहाँ गया है? कहीं गया है. तो gone हो गया verb and somewhere हो गया adverb. कहाँ गया है? कहाँ से क्या हुआ? Adverb of, yes, adverb of place. Where? Now Sahil is coming tomorrow. वो कल आएगा. वो कल आ रहा है. So coming है यहाँ पर हमारा verb और adverb क्या है? Tomorrow. So it is telling it is a adverb of when it is coming. So adverb of time. The man lifted the box easily. मैन ने क्या किया? लिफ्ट बॉक्स को लिफ्ट किया. तो लिफ्टेड क्या है? वर्ब. और इजीली क्या है? हमारा एडवर्ब. हाउ? बिकॉज दिस इज एडवर्ब ऑफ मैनर. कैसे किया? इजीली. रेनू डज हर वर्क क्विकली. सो कैसे करती है वो अपना काम? क्वाइटली करती है. सो क्वाइटली इज adverb. Put your bag here. कहाँ रखना है बैग? Adverb of place. Here. She was absent yesterday. कब थी वो absent? तो adverb of time. Yesterday. You may leave now. अब तुम यहाँ से जाओ. अब. इस time. Right now. So adverb of time. Now. The lady speaks loudly. कैसे बोलती है lady? Loudly बोलती है. So adverb of manner है इसमें. My father is going to England tomorrow. कब जा रहे हैं वो? Tomorrow. कल जा रहे हैं. So this is adverb of time. कब? When he is going. He is going tomorrow. Now moving on to B part, fill in the blanks by choosing suitable adverbs given in the box. So here in this question, box is given and you have to choose words from the box and fill in the blank. The child slept soundly. कैसे सोया वो? बिल्कुल soundly, आराम से सो गया, बहुत गहरी नींद में. You are walking homewards. Where are you walking? घर की तरफ. The boy is standing outside. कहाँ है? बाहर खड़ा है. सीमा ran fast. कैसे भागती है सीमा? Fast भागती है. She behaved foolishly. कैसे? बेवकूफों की तरह, बेवकूफी वाला उसने behave किया. मोहन will come soon. कब आएगा वो? जल्दी ही आएगा. Soon. The doctor arrived immediately. एकदम से, जितनी जल्दी हो सकता था उतनी जल्दी डॉक्टर इमीडिएटली आ गया. I looked for him everywhere. कहाँ देखा? हर जगह. Pick out the adverbs in the following sentences and write its kind. Now in this question C part, you have to pick the adverb. When it is saying pick out the adverbs, then you can use any instruction. You can circle it, you can underline or tick it. So it is your choice. So I am here doing underline. The Rajputs fought bravely. So कैसे लड़े वो? Bravely. कैसे? How? That means adverb of manner. My bedroom is just above. कहाँ है bedroom? Above. ऊपर. कहाँ means Where and where indicates adverb of place. He has put the book somewhere. कहीं पर, पता नहीं कहाँ, कहीं रख दी है. Somewhere, कहाँ रखी है. Where, so adverb of place. The boy beats the dog cruelly. Cruelly कैसे बीट करता है, बहुत गंदी तरह से उसको मारता है. So कैसे means how. So adverb of manner. My uncle will come today. कब आएंगे, today आएंगे. कब means when. So adverb of time. Alright, now are you clear with the adverbs? Let's do one more question. D part, fill in the blanks with the suitable adverbs given in the brackets. So here you have given three options. With each blank you have to choose only one and fill in the blanks. I have dash talked to him. I have already, पहले ही मैंने उससे बात कर ली है. कब बात करी, पहले ही कर ली. She has come here already, पहले ही वो यहाँ आ गई है. She is writing a letter now, कब लिख रही है वो, अभी लिख रही है. He went to Delhi 2 days ago, कब गए थे दिल्ली वो, 2 दिन पहले. कब. सिंधु wrote her examination yesterday, कब लिखा, कल लिखा उसने एग्जाम अपना. I shall meet my friend tomorrow, मैं अपने फ्रेंड से कल मिलूंगी. यहाँ पर tomorrow क्यों आया, yesterday क्यों नहीं आया, because it is given shall and we use shall and will in future tense. We have already done tenses, future tense also. So you should remember that we use shall or will in future. That's why I have written tomorrow here. I have not seen her today. आज नहीं देखा, कब नहीं देखा, आज नहीं देखा. She has dash bought a new bicycle. She has recently, कब खरीदी, अभी हाल फिलहाल में. He recently, अभी अभी में ही खरीदी है new bicycle. She dash sits in the front row. She always, हमेशा, कब बैठती है वो फ्रंट रो में, वो हमेशा फ्रंट रो में ही बैठती है. It often rains in Hyderabad, ज़्यादातर यहाँ पर बारिश होती रहती है. The police arrested a thief last night. कब किया उसने, अरेस्टेड है. अरेस्टेड यहाँ पे पास्ट फॉर्म है अरेस्ट का, दैट्स व्हाई वी हैव यूज्ड लास्ट नाइट. अगर यहाँ पे होता पुलिस अरेस्ट अ थीफ, कुछ ऐसा सेंटेंस होता तो हम टुडे भी कर सकते थे यहाँ पर, बट यहाँ पे पास्ट है तो लास्ट नाइट, जो रात बीत गई है, उसके लिए हम लिखेंगे. शी इज गोइंग टू राइट हर एग्जामिनेशन टुमारो. क्यों इज गोइंग टू का यूज किया है, लिखेगी, लिखने वाली है. सो शी इज गोइंग टू राइट हर एग्जामिनेशन tomorrow. That's why we have used tomorrow here. Thank you everyone for watching video. I hope you have understood all the things. I have tried to explain it well. If you have not understood it, you can also watch it again for the concepts. And if you are not clear about the present, past and future tenses I have told you in this video along with adverbs, you can watch previous videos I have sent you. Bye bye, take care, stay safe, stay healthy and complete your work on time.